Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is ultrasonic sensor. In this video I'll cover how does the sensor work and how to use it. So let's start. Ultrasonic sensor, also known as Sonar sensor. Very simple looking sensor with ultrasound transmitter and receiver. So how does it work? Simple. Just trigger emits ultrasound over 40,000 Hz of frequency. Humans can't hear this sound. Whatever, this ultrasound travels through air, and if there is an obstacle on its path, it will bounce back to the receiver. That is known as echo. You can measure the distance in between obstacle and the sensor by considering the sound travel time and speed of the sound. Speed of the sound in air is constant, that is 340 meter per second. Now I'm heading for an equation that helps you to write the code. So the equation is S equal to V into T. V is speed of sound, that is 340 meter per second that I told you, but we have to convert it to centimeter per microsecond. So the speed of sound is now 0.034 centimeter per microsecond. So the equation is now S equal to 0.034 into T. But we will divide the equation by 2 because we only need the distance it takes to hit the obstacle, not the whole distance of comeback. So the final equation is S equal to 0.034 into T divided by 2.